Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Umair Abad from Pingo's English School and Eureka School System. Today the date is 11th August and we had an online class with Primary 5 today. In today's online class we have completed the storybook of Honey and Toto. We read till page number 12 yesterday and now today we have completed the whole book. As I have already explained till page number 12 in the previous video, I'm going to be explaining it further. So what we studied further is that whenever it rained, Honey, who is the mother of Toto, always used to protect her baby cub from the rain as well. She used to stand and she used to hide her baby beneath her so that Toto could be protected from the rain. And when Toto grew up, like he became 4 months old, then he started to protecting himself. He started to protect himself a little bit, but still he needed his mother's assistance, because he needed his mother to warn him that there is danger, and that is when he used to hide and he used to protect himself. And then one day Toto left, and as he was hungry he attacked a gazelle, and once he killed the gazelle, there were 2 male baboons who were watching him, and once Toto killed the gazelle, the male baboons started walking towards Toto, and baboons are very dangerous, so they might have killed Toto. But Honey was there and Honey ran fast towards them. So the baboons eventually just ate some grass and then they left. Once, when Honey was scaring the baboons, Toto started hiding in the grass. And once the baboons left, then only the mother, like Honey, went to Toto and she took him out from there. After some time, this all happened and danger was continuously growing. So one day what happened, that 3 lions came and they were moving towards the place where Honey and Toto used to be sleeping at night. But when Angela and Jonathan went there, so surprisingly they saw that Honey and Toto had already left that place and they were living somewhere else. But a few days later, when that was the last time when Jonathan and Angela saw Toto, because the next time when they went there, Toto was nowhere to be seen and nobody even knew what happened to him. They think that a lion had eaten him. But Honey's story didn't end here. The next year, Honey had 3 baby cubs and they were known as Honey's boys. Jonathan and Angie kept their name as Honey's boys. They grew up old and they used to be hunting together. So this is the whole story, which is about Honey and Toto, Honey and Toto's family, basically a cheetah family. So this is what we study about. And now in the end of the storybook of Honey and Toto, there are glossary words given. The homework for today is that the students have to note down the glossary words in their English literature notebook, and the words have to be written, since they're in grade 5 now, mashallah, so they have to write the words with a black pen and the meanings have to be written with a blue pen. Take care of yourself. Jazakallah khair. Allah Hafiz.